Hey guys, what's all the buzz about? Can you see those bees flying around out there? They're leaving the hive, they're going in and out. Oh, there goes one. It's so fast. Well, anyway, guys, there's the outside. And they come in this little tube here. You can see them coming through there now. It's pretty cool. We're about to go in their hive here in a minute. Here's their hive. It's massive. Look at all of them. Look at them just working. Not sure where the queen is. She's in there somewhere. These ones down here are kind of buzzing around. Let's see what's going on down here. Look at them. I don't know a ton about beehives, but anyone know what that one bee is doing? Just wiggling around like that? There's one up here doing the same thing. Maybe it's keeping the hive warm or something. Isn't that cool, guys? Look how many of them there are. They're so healthy. This is in Arkansas, and all the flowers and trees, blooms are out, so this is great for them. Someone was telling me if you get honey within like 30 miles from where you live, it actually will help you with your allergies. That's kind of interesting. Not sure how true it is. Look, you can see the pollen on that one's legs. All right, guys, y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.